we have Asian doll.
Just like threw the sauce at the window. I didn't want to take pictures today because I'm like, I'm gonna take pictures on vacation, but oh.
You know what? Give it to them. Deal with it.
Keep going first.
But I think it's quite clear now. You need the bad guy. Hey, yo.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so freaking hot. It's 100 degrees outside right now. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I hate how hot it is. Like, it's so hot. Oh, this is my maintenance vlog. I'm going on vacation. I'm not going to disclose the location now because I feel like I'm going to be vlogging, so stay tuned. I'll be going to the dry cleaners to drop some stuff off. I need to get my lashes done. I also need to get my nails and feet done. They look crazy, but it's okay. So yeah, so we're gonna go to the dry cleaners first. Let's go get this done. Okay, so I just dropped my garments off, so they will be done on Monday. I forgot to get this package that I'm returning from Amazon, so I might have to go back home to go get it. Oh, y'all know what I've been craving a lot lately? I've been craving KFC. Like, I had it yesterday and it was really good. You know how when you had something, you haven't had something in a long time, and then when you finally have it, it tastes so good and you want to have it again? That's how I feel right now, but I don't want to have it again and then it's nasty and then I'm disappointed. I really want some KFC right now, like a leg and a wing. I think I'm gonna go to KFC, y'all. Such a big bag. I think I'm gonna go to KFC and get it because it's right there. Like, why not? Hi, can I get a 3-piece, 2 legs and 1 wing?
You said 2 legs and 1 wing?
Yes.
You want a original?
Yes, no sides and drink, just the chicken.
You want just the chicken?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
$11.45.
Thank you. I got my big bag chicken. I'll show y'all my chicken. I got my chicken. Oh bitch, they gave me 4 pieces. Period. See? Fun fact, I used to work at KFC when I was 16. That was my first job. My first ever job. And I remember being so slow. Like when I first started, I don't know, that's with any job that I ever had. Like, I always start off really slow, but after like a couple months I'll pick up. You thought I said weeks, right? No, months. Like, I'll pick up. And they used to just have me at the cashier, at the cash register, and this one lady, I forgot to give her sauce, and it was like after like work hours, like it was like rush hour or whatever, so I forgot to give her sauce. When I tell you, this lady, I shut the window because I thought I was waiting for her to leave to get the next customer. So she just was sitting there and I'm like, what is going on? Come to find out, I forgot to give her sauce, and then when I finally realized the sauce was like literally right next to the counter, I opened the window and I gave it to her. So she snatched it from me and I hurried up and closed the window. And then she just like threw the sauce at the window, and then she came in and she was calling me all types of bitches. And I was 16 and I'm like, oh my god, it was just sauce. Relax, like, you know. So after that I was like, oh no, this job is not for me. Like, I'm getting disrespected. This is not it. Oh no, it was so ghetto. So once that happened, the managers was just like, you know, just don't say nothing back, which I wasn't. Like, they don't even have to tell me not to say nothing back, because like, why would I say something bad to somebody that's crazy? But yeah, that was my little quick story time. But I'm about to go to the hair store and get I need to get some like mousse and stuff because my hair is gonna be curly. I need to get that. Y'all, this chicken is so good. Y'all might want to get one of these. back. I have to go to a baby shower, to my friend's baby shower. It's in Maryland, so I'm gonna actually start leaving now so I can get there. My outfit, so cute. I'm gonna be posting a picture and I'm gonna leave it. I looked so good. I got it from Pretty Little Thing. I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, I didn't want to take pictures today because I'm like, I'm gonna take pictures on vacation, but I want to test the waters to see like how my Instagram is doing now. So like, because I didn't post any pictures for the month of June, like at all. So yeah, I'm on my way there now and I'm gonna see you guys there. And yeah, I love this hair. This is the glueless hair. This is the glueless wig from Hair BB, y'all. I love their wigs. So I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, we are in Baltimore.
Yes, we are.
Oh, we're going to this restaurant called Maximo. Do I know where it's at? It's a 2-minute walk.
2-minute walk is off.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Walking, this is the girl that goes to the gym all the time, by the way. Talk about some 2 minutes a lot. It's down here. This looks so pretty, y'all.
Right?
I think I will move to Maryland. I just don't like the way that their flag look.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should criticize a state based on what their flag look like. I like Pennsylvania flag. It looks really nice. Moi mes jambes, j'ai un peu de monde qui griche là. And up my shit. You know what I'm talking about? You know how like when you go on TikTok, they're like, how to find rich men? I feel like this should be one of the places.
One of them.
You gotta send me a clip of that so I can put it in my dump on my pictures. He's going with Puerto Rico. He's always going with the girl.
Anthony. For his birthday. But he didn't confirm it yet.
Okay, well if he does, I'll go. I'll go.
T-Vine don't like to socialize, guys.
I talked to her friends last time. The whole time at the baby shower, we talked.
You was not at a baby shower.
I meant,
You're
my
the only
baby
one
shower.
having a baby.
Anyways, guys, I did talk. Boy.
To living life.
You're done already? You drunk already?
I was talking.
Later on, can we try inside Claire before we leave?
Yes, we have to go inside to go outside. Is it? I like this camera, so it's a love and hate relationship with this camera.
I need to get a new camera. I told you I cannot. Oh,
I don't think you should get this camera.
No, I'm gonna get the Canon again.
Get the Canon again because this one is good. The quality is great. It does 4K and everything, but the battery dies so fast. Like
That's a problem.
I have to go out with like a good like 4 or 5 batteries with me to no, I'm serious, like to have it running. So it's like okay, so we just took some pictures, ate some oysters.
Yeah.
And now we're about to go home. Tomorrow I need to finish the rest of my maintenance because my nails is still not done, y'all. Like I wanted to post some pictures, but because my nails isn't done, kind of makes you not want to post anymore, you know? I think we park over here.
Yeah, we did.
You guys, I'm headed back. I'm still trying to get the hang of this vlogging thing, but
I think you got it. What's up, yo?
I feel like it's so much easier to vlog here than to vlog in freaking Philadelphia.
Because it's more of a good scenery, and then
Yeah, and then
people
people mind.
like, why the fuck she got her camera on?
Right, people really mind their business. I love it. Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back. It was a nice weekend. I am back at work and I have to run a couple errands before my vacation. So today I have a project that I have to place an order at Staples. I have to return the thing that I said that I was supposed to return at Staples that I never did. I gotta return that. I have to pick up my garments and then finish up some work that I have. And yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. It's so cute. I don't know if y'all remember my office from like the tour, but this is my outfit. It looks so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get some of my work done now, and then what else? Like, I'm gonna try to get some of my work done and wait for my manager to come so I can get the credit card to go to Staples. I might have to go back home to get the boxes and stuff because I forgot them. Like, yeah, so we're gonna be working. I don't know if y'all remember when I first moved into this office and I like showed everything, but if you haven't, it's still the same. I did add these 3 on there. I don't know if I had that in the vlog, but yeah. I love dressing up for work. Like, that's literally like my favorite part. Okay guys, so this concludes the video. I'm about to go to sleep. My flight is at 1 p.m. but right now I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning over there, so I'm trying to like stay up so I can be asleep on the plane. So let's see if I can do it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.